today's video is going to be around a little bit of postnatal care for new mums, especially when you're feeding baby and especially in the night when you're feeling a bit tired. You can kind of be slumped over baby when you're feeding, and this can cause a lot of restriction around your shoulders and the neck. So our focus today is going to be doing a little bit of release work for these areas. You could be sitting onto a chair, or you could sit onto your bolster, just giving yourself a little bit of elevation for your pelvis. Make sure you feel comfortable and cozy as you need to be. And then we're just going to begin with a little bit of a postural reset. So interlacing your fingers, taking your hands to cup the base of your skull. Allow the chin to gently come in, and then push the head back into the hands for 3, 2, 1, gently release. And we'll do this 2 more times, pushing back, chin in, feel the muscles of the back of the neck engage. 2, 1, and soften, breathe. Last one, chin in, pushing back for 3, 2, 1, and release, relax. From here, draw your elbows back in space, lift your chest a little bit, creating a small back bend into your upper back space. Breathe in here for 3, 2, and 1. Gently release, allow your arms to float all the way down to your sides. Tuck your chin in towards your chest. Feel a little stretch across the back of your neck, maybe even into the tops of the shoulders a little bit. Keep your shoulders softening away from your ears. And then gently allow your chin to roll across to your right shoulder. So feeling the stretch through the opposite side of the neck, rolling down and across to the other side. Not moving into any pain, just allowing yourself to kind of observe what's present for you here today. And you can go nice and slow, just giving yourself a little bit of nourishment, a little bit of loving kindness. You are doing so well, taking care of your new family. And remember to take care of your own body, and then gently starting to make little rotations into the head if that feels good. You can go slower or faster. And then changing the direction of that movement. Feel free to change the positioning of your legs at any point. Nice, gently come back through center. We'll extend the arms out wide and then cross the right arm over the top of your left, mirroring you. So you can either stay here kind of holding shoulders, or you can bring the backs of the hands to touch or palms to touch, see what feels nice. Can you lift the elbows a little bit so you feel the stretching of the skin at the back of the shoulders, maybe even pushing the elbows a little bit forward, and then stay. This might feel like enough, or we're going to find a little bit of rotation here into that upper back space, so circling around. And you can make the circles bigger or smaller as feels nice. Good, gently release, open out the arms, stretch the arms back in space. You can even reach the fingertips back, feel this broadening across the front of your chest, maybe taking into a little back bend. And then crossing the left arm over the top of right, and same again, either hugging shoulders or bringing palms to touch or backs of hands. Lift, gently press forward, and begin those rotations once again. Nice, gently release, opening the arms out wide, stretching back in space, opening across the chest. Feel that slight lift across here. And then exhale, gently place your right fingertips to the ground, reach your right arms up. Can you keep this arm quite straight? Soften the shoulder away from your ear as you press the ground away, and open up a little bit of space down into the lower sort of left quadrant of your lower back. Breathing into that area, also through the side ribs. Inhale, come all the way back up through center, reach and lengthen, and then let the opposite hand come down. Stretch up and across. Again, inviting space, pushing the ground away through this opposite hand. Coming all the way back through, gently release the arms down. You can change the crossing of the legs now. We're going to take a little twist, so reaching the arms up, finding length, and then twisting over to your right hand side. You can feel as though you're drawing that little right shoulder back a little bit as the left shoulder presses forward. Breathing in, come back through center and over to the opposite side. Twisting, lifting and lengthening through the base of your spine. Breathing into your belly. Good, and then gently coming back through center. We're going to make a little fist with one hand or the other, doesn't matter which one, and just place this onto your forehead. Keep the chin in the back of the neck long, and we're going to push forward for 3, 2, 1. Gently release, soften. And again, pushing forward for 3, almost like you're trying to press into the hand and resist with the hand. 1, release and soften. You can change hands just for balance if you like. Pushing forward, 3, 2, 1. Gently release. Slide your hand onto the center of your heart, your anahata, your yogic heart space, also located near the anatomical heart space. Maybe even closing your eyes here for a moment, just tuning in to your breath. Offering yourself this little gift of nourishment, moments to connect back in with your body so that you have the energy and resources to share outwards. Thank you so much. Namaste.